The statute of limitations sets a time limit for filing a lawsuit. And the statute of limitations that applies to your claim will be determined by the type of case that you have. So for car crashes, big truck wrecks, premises liability cases like a slip and fall, that's going to be a 3-year statute of limitations, and that's going to be from the date of the accident itself. Now there's an exception where minor children are involved. So for example, if a minor child is injured in a car wreck, he or she will have till the age of 18, and then the 3-year statute of limitations will begin to run. You have to be mindful as to whether or not a federal agency is involved. In that instance, the Federal Tort Claims Act dictates that you have a 2-year statute of limitations, and you have to exhaust an administrative claims process before you can ever file a lawsuit. For medical malpractice cases, the statute of limitations is 2 years. For wrongful death cases, the statute of limitations is 3 years from the date of death. But again, you have to be mindful of potential exceptions. If the federal government is involved, a 2-year statute of limitations will apply even in a wrongful death case. Similarly, for a medical malpractice case, if a death results from medical malpractice, the shorter 2-year statute of limitations will apply. If you have an uninsured or underinsured motorist claim, then a 5-year statute of limitations will apply. That's the statute that applies to written agreements. So it's important to remember that the statute of limitations is a deadline. You don't want to miss it. If you do, you're toast. So contact a personal injury lawyer early on in the process so you're certain to not miss any deadlines.